You're going to go over to the right hand side at the top where you see the gear icon for settings. Left click that, head over to the left, click on account. Then you're going to click on signatures. If you've already created a signature before, it'll be down here at the bottom. You can click the pencil to edit that. Maybe you want an informal one, then a formal one. If you haven't created one before, you want to add one, you click add signature. And then you just title whatever you want your signature to be. We'll say Jane Doe, maybe formal. Since we have two, then down here below you just write in whatever you want your signature to be. So we'll say something like warm regards, and then Jane Doe. And just like in Word and every other software program, pretty much you can change the font, the size, and all things like that. Down here at the bottom, we have two options. You can check set default for new messages or set default for replies and forwards. You can check those in here if you want them, or if you hit save. You also have the option, since you have multiple signatures to pick, and we'll just select Jane Doe formal. Jane Doe formal. And like I said, you can create different ones. We'll go to informal, which I created before. Let me save first. And this is kind of silly, but usually you could do different types of signatures. So we'll hit cancel. And then after that, we'll close out and we'll open new mail. And as you can see, it auto populates our signature. And that's it.